How to replace the cabin air filter in a Tesla. All right, Tesla fam, if you've noticed a decrease in air quality inside your car or just want to keep everything fresh, it might be time to replace the cabin air filter. Here's a step-by-step guide to doing it yourself so you can breathe easy during every drive. When to replace the cabin air filter. Tesla recommends replacing the cabin air filter every 2 years for Model S and Model X and every 3 years for Model 3 and Model Y. If you're driving in dusty areas or have allergies, you might want to replace it more often. What you'll need: new cabin air filter. Make sure to buy the correct filter for your model. Torx screwdriver for certain models. Trim removal tools, optional, but can help with removing panels without damaging them. Steps to replace the cabin air filter. 1. Locate the filter compartment. The cabin air filter is usually located behind the glove compartment, so you'll need to access that area first. 2. Remove the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment and empty it. Look for the 2 tabs on the sides of the compartment. Squeeze or pull them to release the glove box from the dash. You might also need to remove a few screws. 3. Access the filter. Once the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the filter compartment. It's a rectangular plastic cover that you can usually pull off or unscrew. If your model has a small panel on top of the filter, carefully pop it off using a trim tool or screwdriver. 4. Remove the old filter. Slide the old filter out of its compartment. Be careful, as it may be dirty or have debris in it. Check the orientation of the filter before you remove it, so you can install the new one the same way. 5. Install the new filter. Slide the new filter into the compartment, making sure it fits securely and is oriented the same way as the old one. Some filters have arrows showing the direction of airflow, so be sure to match that with the correct direction in your car. 6. Reassemble the glove compartment. Put the panel back on the filter compartment. Reattach the glove compartment to its mounting points and screw everything back into place. Make sure the compartment opens and closes smoothly. 7. Check your work. After everything is back together, check the air quality by turning on the fan and making sure the air feels fresh. Final thoughts. Replacing the cabin air filter is a simple maintenance task that will help improve the air inside your Tesla. If you're due for a filter change, follow these steps to ensure you stay comfortable on the road. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.